UX research is a vital part of the design process. Consider this: 88% of users won't return to a website after one negative experience. But not all research leads to actionable, valuable insights. For that, you need to follow a solid, well-structured UX research process. Hi, my name is Alex, and welcome to UX Tweaks channel. On this channel, I share our team's expertise in the UX research field. Today, we are talking about how to make your UX research process straightforward and effective. User experience research, or UX research for short, is all about putting users first. During UX research, we conduct various studies to gather user feedback and analyze their behavior. It helps tailor products to actual user wishes instead of building solutions based on assumptions. This means you can create products with a better market fit, higher conversions, and attract more loyal customers. The UX research process can be broken down into a few essential steps. First, you create a UX research plan. Second, you choose the right methodology. Third, you find and recruit the right participants. Fourth, you run the studies. Fifth, you analyze the results and implement changes based on your findings. You might hear that the UX research process has more steps. Depending on the project, you might want to include additional steps such as market analysis or persona creation. But today, let's focus on the basics. Before you start gathering data, you need a clear UX research plan. The plan should outline the core aspects of your research, meaning your objectives, assumptions about users, research timeline, and participant criteria. You can also mention which research methods you will use, your research questions, and the relevant artifacts. For example, if you want to test a prototype, it should be mentioned in the UX research plan. Additionally, your plan needs a strategy for analyzing and acting upon findings. Determine which metrics are key to the project and what values you are striving to achieve. Then, consider what happens if you meet or fail to meet these metrics. UX research methods are generally categorized into qualitative and quantitative approaches. Qualitative methods help uncover why users behave a certain way. Quantitative methods help measure patterns and behaviors at scale. Here is a handy diagram with the most commonly used UX research methods. We also have a separate video explaining each of them in detail. If you're unfamiliar with the UX research methods, I advise you to check it out. The link is in the right-hand corner. Also, decide whether you want to run moderated or unmoderated studies. Unmoderated research means users complete tasks on their own without a researcher present. This method is perfect for testing at scale and collecting quantitative data. Moderated research, on the other hand, means that a researcher is present during the study to guide and interview the participant. This allows us to get deeper insights into participants' thought process. However, it requires more time, scheduling, and resources. Who you conduct research with matters just as much as how you do it. Your research should be conducted with participants who accurately represent your target audience. If you have a user persona, use it to confirm whether participants align with your target audience. If you're working with a tight budget, you can leverage existing users or find people in online communities. Alternatively, you can outsource your recruitment to specialized platforms to help you reach the right audiences efficiently. Now it's time to run the research. A piece of advice: always include screening questionnaires in your studies. It helps ensure your research insights are reliable and represent your actual users. Also, try to avoid bringing bias in your research. We have a great video on types of research bias and how to minimize it. The link is in the right-hand corner. By the way, to optimize the UX research process, you need the right tools. Provided you have a dedicated budget for it, make sure to invest in a good UX research tool, such as UX Tweak. It will help you streamline your research and keep everything in one place. Plus, UX Tweak has automated data analysis features, which will help you speed up your research. Once you have your research data, check the key metrics from your research plan. Did you meet your goals? If not, what could be the possible reasons? To better understand users' motivations and frustrations, try to find and analyze recurring patterns you saw during research. Later, you can use this information to prepare user insights. Then, compile your findings into a clear UX research report. Don't forget, for stakeholders to be interested, you need to speak their language. So try to align findings with business goals and calculate improvements through KPIs such as revenues or conversions. Using AI for the UX research process is a huge topic right now. My advice is to not rely too heavily on it. Use it to automate repeating tasks or summarize findings from transcripts. However, don't rely on it when it comes to thinking and making decisions. Mastering the UX research process is key to creating user-friendly products. From planning to analyzing findings, each step plays a crucial role. So make sure you dedicate enough time to each step and have the right tools to support you. Like and subscribe to watch more things UX related. See you next time.